The Legend of King Arthur.
Die Legende von König Artus.
A long time ago in England there was no king. The land was full of war and fear. People hoped for peace. In a churchyard, a sword appeared in a big stone. On the sword were the words, "Only the true king can pull me out." Many strong men tried to pull the sword, but no one could move it. Not even two men together could pull it out. They gave up. A young boy named Arthur lived with a knight. He was kind, smart, and brave, but not a knight. One day, Arthur needed a sword for his knight. He saw the sword in the stone and tried to take it. He tried as hard as he could to pull the sword out. People around him laughed at him because he looked much weaker than all the others who had tried it. To everyone's surprise, Arthur pulled out the sword. The stone broke, and the sword was free. The people were shocked. "He is the true king," they cried. But some did not believe. A wizard named Merlin came and spoke. "Arthur is the true king. He will bring peace." And so Arthur was crowned and became king. Merlin stood by his side, always ready to offer his help. Arthur was a just and fair king, and under his rule the kingdom flourished and prospered. To this day, the legend of Arthur and his brave, noble knights lives on, inspiring generations.